Unlock your mobility. Train your legs now. Leg mobility is crucial for seniors over 60. Approximately 1/4 of seniors use a cane or walker to get around. Exercising your legs enhances flexibility, strength, and balance, and is crucial for overall health. In this video, we'll explore practical exercises and techniques to improve leg mobility, empowering you to move freely and confidently. Get ready to transform your routine and elevate your physical well-being. Let's dive into the world of mobility and discover how to train your legs for a healthier life. Stay tuned to the end for an easy way to keep your legs strong. Practical steps to improve leg mobility. Step 1. Assess your current mobility level. To begin your journey, perform simple mobility tests such as squats and lunges. These exercises will help you gauge your flexibility and identify any limitations or discomfort during movement. Pay attention to how your body feels and record your findings. Tracking your progress will motivate you and provide valuable insights as you work to improve your mobility. When I turned 60, my knees were shot from running, so I switched to cycling because it was easier on my joints. I'm 84 now, and I ride my cycle 100 miles a week, which helps keep my legs strong. Step 2. Warm up your muscles. Warming up is essential for preparing your body for mobility training. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, such as jogging in place or small jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Follow this with dynamic stretches like leg swings and arm circles. This routine will increase blood flow to your muscles, ensuring your legs are ready for practical training and reducing the risk of injury. Strength training and flexibility exercises play a crucial role in maintaining leg mobility. By incorporating both, you can improve muscle strength and joint range of motion. This combination helps in performing daily activities with ease and reduces the risk of falls and injuries. Remember, consistency is key, so aim to include these exercises in your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Step 3. Incorporate strength training exercises. Start with basic movements like squats, lunges, and calf raises. These exercises target key muscle groups in your legs, helping to build strength and endurance. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the intensity and repetitions. Always listen to your body and adjust the exercises to your comfort level. At the gym, I include strength training exercises like squats, lunges, and calf raises with different machines. These movements build essential strength and stability. Consider using resistance bands or weights to increase the intensity of your workout. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions for each exercise. This approach will improve your mobility and support overall leg strength and endurance. Step 4. Focus on flexibility and stretching. Improving flexibility is vital for mobility. Perform static stretches targeting your hamstrings, quadriceps, and calves, holding each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. This practice enhances flexibility and reduces muscle tension. Also, could you incorporate yoga poses like downward dog and pigeon pose for added benefits? These stretches will help you achieve a more excellent range of motion, making your legs feel more agile and responsive. All right, now let's transition into some mobility drills and a cool down. This part is crucial to ensure that your muscles and joints recover well after the workout. Step 5. Practice mobility drills. Incorporating mobility drills is essential for enhancing joint flexibility. Focus on exercises like hip circles and ankle mobility movements to improve your range of motion. These controlled movements help strengthen the joints and promote better overall mobility. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes of these drills at the end of your workout. This practice will solidify your gains and keep your legs agile and strong. Step 6. Cool down and recover. Cooling down is crucial for recovery after your workout. Engage in light stretching to relax your muscles and promote flexibility. Step 7. Looking for a simpler, more efficient leg workout. Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Upright Row and Ride Trainer. This machine will do squat with precision, engage in dynamic rowing exercises, target your glutes for toning, sculpt your abs, and undertake strength training. The all-in-one fitness solution for a well-rounded and diverse workout experience. Designed with versatility in mind, this compact row and ride allows for multiple exercises, including squats, deadlifts, incline chest presses, and bent-over rows, giving you a complete full-body workout in one machine. Customize your squats with 3 adjustable machine angles ranging from 30 to 90 degrees, allowing you to choose between a shallow, parallel, or deep squat. Pick the squat to match your goal with ease for optimal results. Enjoy free access to the SunnyFit app with every Sunny Health and Fitness product. No membership fees. Dive into over 1,000 trainer-led workouts. Explore more than 10,000 virtual scenic tours, track progress, challenge others, and much more. The LCD monitor provides real-time data on calories burned, workout duration, and total count. The built-in device holder keeps you entertained and connected during your workouts. With 4 resistance levels, you can tailor your workouts to your fitness level. This allows you to customize the intensity of your exercises and progressively challenge yourself, ensuring a versatile and effective fitness experience. This equipment is designed with a robust frame and guarantees stability and longevity even during intense workout sessions. It supports a certified weight limit of up to 330 pounds, catering to many users who want safe and effective exercise. Look for the link for more information in the descriptions area. In summary, leg mobility is essential for overall fitness and well-being. We've discussed various exercises and techniques to enhance mobility, from strength training to flexibility drills. I encourage you to implement these practices into your routine for better movement. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more valuable content on improving your health and fitness journey.